Welcome to Brunch with REC.
Let's bring in our boy, someone that we've been blessed to know.
It is none other than Mr. Scott McGillivray. How are you doing today, my man?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing pretty good, you know?
There's no way our insiders are coming to here to look at our two faces.
It's obviously yours, brother, and that beautiful hair of yours.
Well, you know, just trying to keep it all together here while the world's in a strange place.
When you come to this guy. And from your point,
I was just like, making mortgage payment for all student rent, sitting right in the spot where it's home. And so we looked at a
feature. I know our insiders thoroughly enjoyed this. Make sure to go check out the Real Smart Deal app. Go to incomepropertyformula.ca. Do that right now, guys. It's free. We're very excited about the summit next weekend. We just finished everything up. We're prepared. We're ready to rock. Sign up, register. Make sure you're part of this group of over 5,000 people that are going to be joining Scott, essentially giving away all his secrets, which we're very, very grateful for. Probably weren't listening, but reach out to info@reccanada.com. That's info@reccanada.com, and we'll make sure we'll get all the links passed on to you. To everyone, again, have an awesome weekend, and we look forward to seeing you on our next brunch on February 27th.
Thank you so much, everyone. Scott, thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, Scott. Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you.
See you soon. I buy what people want. That's what I do.
There might be a Scott McGillivray meme coming out.
It's true. I mean, I'm usually not the one rushing to buy something that's just listed. I